Hey guys, welcome to Login Help. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a AI Sofia account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a AI Sofia account, which is an awesome ad generator for your social media, as well as it has a feature of text to speech, and it will also give you the feature to create your videos, design some posts. And now to log into this awesome platform named AI Sofia, first open up a preferred browser as I've already. Now to sign up for an account on the Sophia AI, first open up a preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address AI.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of AI Sofia. And now from over here, in order to register an account on the AI Sofia, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign up button available for us over here. Click on the sign up first, and then you'll be directed to the registration. But before that, guys, you can see you will be required to choose your starter plan or your plan for with which you'll be subscribing to the AI Sophia, and you'll be required to pay for it. So I'll just be going with starter now. You can choose any of these you like. And over here, guys, in order to proceed, you'll be required to enter your names, your full names, guys, including your first name, your middle name, as well as your last name. After that, enter your email address with which you will be using your AI Sophia account. And let's go. I'll be using my this account, and choose your country over here, guys, whichever may be. And after that, enter your password, and again on the confirm password section retype that password just to make it sure that you remember it. And guys, after entering all of your details, simply click on this circle where it says the by continuing I agree with your terms and conditions and privacy policies. Click over there, and the toggle icon will be turned blue and the sign up button will be available for you. And guys, after entering all of your credentials, simply click on the sign up button, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your payment details like your PayPal or your credit card or debit card accesses. And after doing that, a verification link will be sent to you on your email over there. Click open your email, click on that verification link to verify that you're a human. And after doing that, and after paying your subscription amount, which is this price, you will have signed up for AI Sophia account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for AI Sophia account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.